Hello everyone, coming to you live from my room at the lake house. I'm standing very close to my window because this is the only good lighting that I have. My room is pretty dark, unfortunately, because it's in the front of the house. The sun shines mostly in the back, so my room is pretty dark. In the other angle. Uh-oh, Silvio! Hi, Silvio. You wanna say hi to the camera? You wanna say hi to the camera? Come on. So we are up at the lake house this weekend. I'm home alone with the doggies. My parents and Jamie went out on the dock to go fishing, or they're going on a boat to go fishing. I didn't want to go because I don't really like fishing that much. I'm just staying here cuddling with the doggies. And Deuce is down here. I have on a workout outfit that I got from White Box Boutique. It's like biker shorts, this long sleeve shirt that like zips up right here, and then I'm wearing a sports bra underneath that like matches. But I just recently brought this outfit because I'm going on a hike with my brother and some of my friends. So I wanted to like wear something where I know I'm gonna sweat in and look cute in at the same time. Because the first time I went on a hike, I sweated so much. I have never sweated as much as I did that day in my whole entire life. So that's why I wanted to, like, you know, wear it today, you know, kind of work out in it, so that way I can kind of get a feel of what it's gonna feel like, I guess, if I wear it on a hike. I don't know. And yeah, I think I most likely will wear this, which is nice because it's super cute and I'm very happy about it, you know. Excited to wear that. I might have to get but that's not the only thing that I got from White Fox. I also got a matching sweatsuit because I love matching sweatsuits so much. So yeah, let me show you guys. Should I do a cute little... So this is the sweatsuit set that I got. It's very oversized, but I actually like it being oversized. It feels a lot cozier. I also got the matching shirt to go with this sweatsuit set, but I didn't feel like wearing it right now. But I was expecting this to be like a thin t-shirt, crop top. I don't know. It's not crop top. I don't know what I'm talking about. I thought this was gonna be pretty thin, but this is actually pretty thick material and it's stretchy. This might actually be worth the money I paid for this. I don't know how much I paid for this, which is very nice. I feel like that's gonna last pretty long. So there is quite a little bit of an update to my room. First being is that I got a new decor piece for my room, which is this. It is a smoky quartz coaster. I got this in Las Vegas when I went out there to go see Silk Sonic with my grandparents, which was very nice.
Got a bad bitch running around my whole crib like it's Chuck E. Cheese. Rolling in the jail with an X-Men in the UFC. Can't believe it. I'm in disbelief. This bitch got me paying tips. Diamonds on the wrist. And here I am on the low. All alone. I'm so cold. You got me out here. Get out the window. Open up the window. This shit do this to me. This shit do this to me. But I was wrong. Just the other night she was gripping me.
I actually recorded a clip of me talking about the concert and the whole experience, but I think I might cut that out because I don't really like the way I look at the clip. And plus, I think I was just talking too much in that clip anyways. You know, I gotta cut back. I tend to like ramble and talk a lot in my clips, which is fine and all. It's like when I'm editing it, I'm just like frustrated at myself because I talk too much. But yeah, like I said before, I went to Las Vegas to see Silk Sonic with my grandparents because my grandma absolutely loves Bruno Mars and she loves Silk Sonic. And I love Silk Sonic, so we went, I believe, at the end of May. The concert experience was wonderful. They both performed wonderful. I wasn't expecting nothing less. I mean, Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak are wonderful performers. You know, I was low-key kind of feeling some type of way about my phone being taken away, but you know, I got through it. I am low-key kind of happy you could watch some of their performances on YouTube because, you know, some people risked it all. I wasn't gonna risk it all, but some people did. It made me also very happy that someone recorded their outro to Smoking Out the Window because they had created a new outro. I mean, they never really had an outro to the song anyways, but it was like a nice harmony. And then Anderson .Paak kind of freestyled on it, and it was really nice. Cause I think it was like smoking out the window, smoking out the window, all cause of you. But harmonized, but like a low-key harmony. And yeah, I'm really hoping that they come out with like a documentary about the whole Vegas concert performance and put it out on like, you know, a streaming platform or somewhere where I can watch it at home, because I would love to rewatch that whole thing. I'll happily pay for it. But yeah, I got this to go in my room. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna put this right here for now. Hey, look how cute it is. Oh, hang on. Put that in the back. There we go. Alright, let me show you guys some of the other things that I got for the room. Okay, first thing is that I got these steps for Deuce because Deuce is an old dog and technically he can't, well, technically he can jump on my bed, he just doesn't anymore. So I got these steps for him. He doesn't know how to use them. I kind of tried. We can try again today. And then my mom put this rug underneath here so that way the steps won't, like, you know, go all over the place. And then the last thing is that I just got the matching nightstand and also lamp as the other side of my room, because I only brought one because I wanted to see how it looked and I liked it a lot, so I got another one for the side. And that is basically it. I think I'm going to, like, you know, of course get a rug to go underneath my bed, and then I kind of want to get a bench to go in front of my bed too. I feel like Deuce will go on the bench rather than the steps. But and then I will also get something to go on my wall, definitely to go on this wall right here. I'll probably put like a mirror right here because I realized I don't have a mirror in my room. Like, I have a mirror in my room back at my other house, but not here. And it's like, I realized I need it. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do right here. My dad kind of put the idea in my head to like get a projector. And I think that would be like a great idea to put it like on this wall right here. I might just put something at the end right here and at the end right there and just leave the middle blank for a projector. But yeah, that is, oh, and then also I got this UGG blanket. That was like a little gift from my job for like coming back into the office or whatever, I don't know. But it's a UGG blanket and I decided to put it on this bed here. So yeah, that's the little small update that I have for my room, for at least right now. So is this a thumbnail moment? Probably not, I don't know. I think like my parents and Jamie, they're gonna be at the dock for a while, or they're gonna be out in the water for a while. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to clean. Typically what I do is whenever I come here, I like to clean my floors because we do have a lot of bugs out here, and a lot of bugs come inside the house and they just die. I don't know how they die, but they're dead by the time we come, and they're like flipped over, and it's just weird. I like to clean my room, my floors, like to wipe down like my nightstands and whatnot. Yeah, I also might clean the whole house too. By the whole house, I just mean the hallway and the living room. I brought a book because I'm trying to learn a new language. I put on my vision board a while ago that I wanted to learn 3 languages, and that was Tagalog, Korean, and Japanese. And for a while now, I was learning, like teaching myself Japanese, and I just knew like just the basics, that's it. But then like I started learning Tagalog, and then I just kind of just fell off of just learning anything. So I want to kind of get back into that again and just kind of just learning new things, because I want to start creating like new habits, starting learning new skill sets for myself. I have been wanting to like learn like a bunch of things for a while now, and then I just kind of just stopped, and I just kind of just got back into like just a routine of things, I guess. I don't know. And now I want to work more on myself. I want to learn more stuff. I want to learn a new language. I want to learn more recipes for cooking. I want to learn like get back more into music. I want to learn how to play guitar, because I have a guitar in my room that I never really touch at all. At least I changed the strings on there. But yeah, I have like a whole list on my notions of things that I want to learn and just kind of improve with myself and just become the best version of myself, or the highest version that I want to be. And yeah, and I also feel like me trying to learn these new things will kind of keep my mind off of like things that I don't want to think about and people that I don't want to think about. So I try to explain that in the best way possible, because in my mind it makes sense, but I don't think I translated that out that good. So anyways, I brought this book called Speak Japanese in 90 Days, and it was recommended by I think her name is Jazmine on YouTube. She was learning Japanese too. I mean, I think she's like pretty much like fluent. I mean, she's way farther than I am, but I think she said this would be a good beginner book for Japanese. I mean, there's so many different ways to learn a language. So yeah, I want to do this tonight or today. Maybe watch some RuPaul. I've been loving RuPaul. And yeah, I also brought some books up here to read. I've been reading a little bit of The Secret, that book, and then I have the Little Book of Confidence, so I've been reading from that too as well. So those are the things I'm going to do. Also, I don't even think, oh, let me rephrase that. Also, I don't think that I mentioned in any of the vlogs that I put out, which was probably, it's probably gonna be 2 if you're seeing this video. But I got Invisalign I think at the end of March. So if you hear me have like a little list or whatever, it's because of that. So far, I think I am about to be on my 7th tray. I get it on Monday. I get my new set of trays on Monday, and I'll be on my 7th tray on Monday. I am hoping that I kind of finish my treatment before my trays run out, because I have 18 trays, and my dentist said that I could be done 6 to 8 months, and I counted the trays, and it's supposed to be done in 8 months. So I'm hoping that I finish before then, because I miss eating normal, like a normal person. Oh, my battery's about to die. Alrighty, let's get into my, let's do some cleaning.
시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지 Feels better that we're on a separate ways Our memories faded Sometimes I think of you 너 없이 뭔가 좀 공허해 난 날이 무뎌지는 그 감각에 어느새 집중돼 Lost but prefer not to be found Thinking about the way we found just why Thinking about the way we yeah 난 광진대교 건너면서 든 생각 없어 맘에 드는 사람 난 많이 컸어 그냥 뒀어 외로운 그 맘은 불 붙여 지활화탄을 붉고 서서히 태가네 다리 밑 주저앉아 순식간에 지나갈 시간 그냥 what's up 후회할 순 없어 어지러워 외정 여러 마음들 흩어져 난 돌아가면서 기억이 하나 두 개 없어져 그래도 남아있을걸 너가 말들 난 안 잊을래 Pretend I'm fine alone but then that would just make me feel like I don't know
Style on the beat, the easy game looking at me. What do you see? You probably see a king. See this gold on my neck? Jesus Christ, he protect. I do not flex. But you see my room, this shit checks. You see the TV, you see the PC. Hold on. You see the, hold on, bro. Hold on, let me start that over.
Come on, someone's gotta push through. Someone's gotta push through.
Someone gotta do it.
Oh, there you go, Juice. There you go. Come on. Oh, good boy. No, Sylvia, over here. See, was that so hard? Silvio, over here. No, over here. Right here. Okay. Come on, there you go. There you go.